So this is the finished look of this unit right here. So this unit was sent to me from WowAfrican, so I'm going to read the specs off of my phone so that everything is clear. So this unit is a pre-plucked silky straight Indian hair. It's a 360 wig. So this style is the TLW11. So this is 18 inches long. It's a natural color. It's 180% density and it's silky straight, as you guys can see. Now this one is what I like to call a complete wig because this one is pre-bleached. It is pre-plucked around the hair, the perimeter, and it is also glueless AF. Now, this one is free shipping worldwide, over $89, and there is a coupon code today that's Dominique15 to save $15 off your lace wig purchase. Now, I've been reviewing a lot of these wigs from WowAfrican, and WowAfrican has created this awesome elastic band that they have added onto all their wigs, pretty much all their wigs. I've received all of them with that elastic band. Now, this elastic band is super duper effective, guys. If you don't want to glue your units down and you want them to be glueless like this, this is the type of company you need to work with. Now, I did not have to glue this down. You will get a little bit of lifting with your ear tap area, but other than that, the unit lays pretty flat around. Even if the wind came up and knocked the hair backwards, you wouldn't be able to see anything. It's that damn glueless. I am a medium to average cap size, and I feel like the cap size for this company works pretty well with my head. It is supposed to be 180% density, but you guys know how I feel. If it's a silky straight texture, the 180% density is not going to really cut it for me because it's already really baby soft. So for me, when it comes to silky straight, I prefer like 200%. But for 180% density, I'm not even going to hold y'all. 180% density on this is not too bad. I did go ahead and clip the ends off and just, you know, cuff the hair underneath the breast area to give myself like a little bit of a, kind of like a structured, you know, straight blowout and a little bit of a bump at the end. So I do like it this way. The wig did come in the package with the middle part already pre-planted that way, and it looks so damn good. So I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna touch it. They pre-plucked their perimeter very good. I did go in and just play with it just a little bit extra just to open it up, especially when you're doing middle part styles and you want your middle part styles to really pull through and really be seamless, especially when you're not applying any adhesives to it. I felt like just pulling a little bit of hair out the front right here just made it look a little bit better. My hands are a little bit like ashy or dry looking, because I did go ahead and use a little bit of the Baltiste clean and light dry shampoo. Like I said, if you're someone that doesn't really like silky hair texture, you want to kind of buff the hair out a little bit and make it a little bit more textured, dry shampoo or texturizing spray, they do just about the same thing. The only issue with this one, if you guys saw, it leaves like a little bit of a white cast, so you're gonna have to go in with a little bit of argan oil or something just to baste it with, just because it'll leave you a little bit of like a white cast or something like that. But I do use this when I have silky straight units, just to give me a little bit more of a textured look. I did use my first wig, Say Goodbye to Me Frizzy Hair Flyaway Tamer. You guys ask me about this all the time. I'll link that down below for you guys as well. When I was doing this unit, I wanted it to be as flat as possible, middle part style. Like I said, you get about 4 to 5 inches of parting space right here. So I use this product right here to really solidify those flyaways. And even in the beginning, when you're doing a middle part, you'll get like a little bit of flyaways right here where the baby hairs are at. All I do is take this bad boy and tuck it underneath like that. I go in with a little bit of my Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray and just spray it up, and that's it. It'll get all those little baby hair mess things, you know, over extra baby hairs out of the way. So that's how I was able to get the middle part style to be like this freaking slick. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing anything from WowAfrican. I will leave all the products down below if you're interested in purchasing anything I showed in today's video. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.